Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to study about interface. Interfaces are similar to classes. They contains variables and methods, but it doesn't have instance variable, constructor, and even method doesn't have any body. Using interface we can specify what a class must do, but not how it does. The interfaces are used their implementation detail. Let's take a look how to defining interface. An interface is defined like a class. This is the general form of the interface. First, the interface is keyword. Here the iname is name of the interface. In the interface, this is the method name, which contains parameter also, and it must have return type. And you can also assign value to the variable in interface like this. Let's take a look at the example of interface. This is the interface. Its access modifier is public. Then interface is keyword, and interface underscore ex is the name of the interface. Here show is the name of the method of interface, which contains integer variable I as parameter. Here there is no body in this interface. As I already said, interface method contains no body. You should simply save this interface with name of the interface .java. Now, how to implement this interface? The keyword implement is allowed us to bring previously created interface in our program. Then if we want to use that variables and methods in the interface, we should first implement it and then we can use it. The general form to implement interface in our class is this. Class is keyword, class name is the name of class, implement is the keyword, interface name is the already created interface in our system. Already created. Now let's take a look at the example. This is the example of interface. Here class name is check1, which implements our old created interface underscore ex. This is the method of the interface. Here we should implement this method to use it. This is our main class. Here obj is the object of class 1, and here we access the method of this class. Now let's check the output. Now let's run our program. So interface is working perfectly and pass number is 5. We don't need to compile our interface program. So I think now you have clear idea about the interface.